Violence against women is not a women's issue, it is a national failure. Every November 25 to December 12, we mark the 18 days of activism against violence against women because the world remains unsafe for billions. Over 1 billion women, roughly one-third of all women globally, will suffer violence in their lifetime. Physical violence, sexual assault, psychological abuse, economic control, digital harassment. Iba-iba ang mukha pero iisa ang pinagmulan: inequality. And here at home, the urgency is undeniable. From August to November 2025, the Philippine National Police recorded 6,883 cases of violence against women and children, almost 7,000 lives interrupted in just 3 months. Our communities echo the same realities. Women trapped by economic abuse, disguised as a family duty, girls targeted online by predators, children harmed inside homes they should have felt safe in, and a culture that still whispers, away mag-asawa lang yan, instead of protecting victims. This is why we commemorate. Because remembrance is resistance. Because our laws, RA 9262, the Safe Spaces Act, the Magna Carta of Women, only matter when enforced. Because progress may be real, but it is still fragile. We observe the 18 days of activism not out of ritual but responsibility. To declare that violence is not normal. To affirm that women's safety is a right, not a privilege, and to recognize that as long as 1 billion women remain at risk, the fight must continue. We continue the activism until the violence stops. Another day, another Regal POV.